Model, 65-plate Ford Tourneo Custom 300 Limited E-Tech minibus body, black, MPV mileage, 391229 MOT, the 11th of October 2023 engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight rattle. Timing chain is stretched, tensioner due to oil pressure. Turbo needs replacing. Oil light on the dash. The engine idles evenly and there is no back pressure. Basically this will need an oil pump, a turbo and a timing chain kit, and you will have a really nice running Transit at a bargain price. Open mouth smile condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.